Several of my colleagues have approached me about my words in MyOsmo and asked, so how do I get past just the pictures and the words? I want more. I want my students to be able to work with definitions or work with the word in context. So this is a quick tutorial about how to mash up MyOsmo with the app Pic Collage, which I'm going to show you very quickly. Pic Collage is a free app that I have been using. So, for example, I wanted to be able to make my words in Spanish. So I can use Pic Collage to create different pictures that then I can put the specific words in Spanish for. So Pic Collage is very, very simple, and I'm not going to show you very much of it. But let's say I wanted to do a topic about leaves, okay? I don't want the animations, I actually want the images, and I'm going to do maple leaves. Pic Collage offers you a ton of quality images. Now remember, these are not images that you would be able to publish in a larger setting, but you're using them in the classroom, so they're going to fall under copyright fair usage in your classroom. So quickly, my students, I could have them create the Pic Collage and then send it to me. Next, I can tap on it and I can either put in a text that is a definition. So I could say, whatever, these leaves are, this falls from leaves. I could put this into falls from trees, sorry. I'm not trying to give them the word. And then I could even make it into a riddle, which is what my examples are. What am I? And now I have this picture that I can play with and change around to customize it correctly. But now I have something that is not just a picture. It can be a sentence, it can be a definition, it could be many different things. I could even try to tell a story this way. And then I just save it to my camera roll. Now I am doing this on my iPad, but let's say I wanted a bunch of students to do it and then I wanted to compile it. You can see that they could just email it to me and I could have all of the images. So now let's say I have all of these images and I'm going to go back to my words and they're either on my computer or they're on my iPad, and I'm going to put them all together. So I'm going to show you how I put it together on my iPad because students could also do this. Now, the student key is not going to give them access to actually being able to create these words. What you're going to need to do is for them to have access to your account. And some of our teachers have created a generic password so that the students can get to creating the albums. So I'm going to do a new album and I'm going to sign in. So now that you've seen how to create different choices using Pic Collage, remember that whatever app you use, it has to stay in portrait because Words is a portrait app. So one of the ideas that we had was, okay, we will create it and explain everything, but explain everything actually, their app is designed in landscape. So that's not going to work very effectively. So I've already created my album, which was fall. I had started showing you this just prior, and my app crashed. And it wasn't the app that actually crashed. It was the Chrome browser that I'm using to show this in. So anyways, the first one I have right here. The second one is I need to edit, but because I added it right here, I need to first get rid of one of these. So this one says, Cambio de colores, caigo de los árboles, ¿quién soy? So I'm going to put in the Spanish word. Notice that these letters, hoja, use the same letters that are in the kit. So I can technically create different words for my my words albums that are Spanish or English. Okay, so now I have those. The next one I'm going to edit. And this one says, I'm good to eat or decorate. What am I? So I'm going to type in pumpkin. And then I'm going to choose the difficulty. Right now, I'm just choosing easy as my difficulty. And then I'm going to go back to fall again. And here's the same one that I can do in Spanish. It says, soy bueno para comer o decorar quien soy. And I can do calabaza. Now, one thing you're going to notice when you're doing it on the iPad, sometimes it tries to self-correct you when you're using a different language besides, I want to change that really, when you're using two different languages. I found that in Pic Collage also, that it liked to do that to me. So just be aware of that. Alright, so that's a quick way to create a personalized My Words collection using Pic Collage and My Words. Have fun. I can't wait to see what you do. Notice when I'm all finished, I can download it to the iPad, but also if my account is connected, like it is on My Words, on this iPad, I can once again bring it down under a student profile. So, another great way to use Osmo, My Words, and other apps that you have available to create wonderful learning experiences for your students.